Hello, it's 23rd September and day 2 of our trip. We all were still lost in our dreams that the announcement was made that very soon the train was gonna reach the Delhi station. And then we all woke up from our half sleep and turn by turn we all went to brush our teeth. Then we all were served with morning tea or coffee. After having it, we all started packing our stuff and looking around the seats to check if we hadn't left any of our belongings. And then the train finally arrived at the Delhi station. It was around 7 in the morning, but for the Delhi station, it seemed as a busy hour of the day. Among thousands of people there, we all were identified by our purple shirts and that iCards that encircled our necks. And then again, we stood in a line and were counted and recounted by our teachers and tour guides. So, after all of this, we needed to cross 16 platforms with our luggage to reach our allotted buses. So finally, after crossing the platforms, we reached near our buses and we could see 6 buses waiting for us. We were divided into groups of 25 or 30 with one teacher leading us. We were then addressed by our tour guides and then by our group teachers. Finally, to capture that moment, we got group selfies clicked, and after loading our luggage into our respective buses, we secured our seats in our bus with our group. Then we were given caps and bags by our tour guides with the identity of the tour agency. Then we were also given the breakfast in the bus. After all of this, our bus was ready to finally leave for Haridwar. At around 2:30, we stopped by a restaurant for having lunch. And after having lunch, we all again started our journey for Haridwar. In the midst of that bus journey was the most memorable moments because there we had introduction with new people and enjoyed a lot by playing games and talking about interesting things. It's around 5:30 in the evening when we entered Haridwar. And the amazing views that we saw in the way, they can't be just explained in the words. Then our bus was headed to Ram Lakshman Jhula, our next spot, which is believed to be a holy and a beautiful place. And indeed it was. Our buses were parked 1 kilometer ahead the place and we all got down and stood with our group and then started walking towards the place. Finally, we saw the most beautiful thing that day. The sunset was just ahead and the beautiful rays of the sun falling on the Ram Lakshman Jhula made it look the most beautiful. By one, we all went down to touch the holy river water and then afterwards we all got a group selfie clip. Finally, after enjoying the beautiful view of the Ram Lakshman Jhula and the holy river, our buses were now headed to our first hotel, the Grand Orchid. So, as we reached the hotel, we all, with our luggage, were standing outside the hotel while we were served with the welcome drinks. Then, turn by turn, we got our room keys and then had our dinner. And the dinner was really delicious. After having the dinner, we all headed towards our rooms. The room's scenario changed in 5 minutes. The room that was with straight and smooth bed sheets was now creased, and the room that was looking tidy was now filled with our luggages lying in the corners. Turn by turn, we all changed into our night clothes and were now ready to sleep. Then we were addressed by our teachers that tomorrow it was gonna be an early start as we were leave for our next destination, and the time to reach down for the breakfast was 6:30. We all were concerned that how would we wake up, but we knew that every group at least had a member who would help in waking everyone up and getting early ready. After all this, everyone had a talk with their family informing that tomorrow early they'll be leaving for the next destination. Finally, at some point of time when we weren't out of the gossips but our energy level was down, we all thought to sleep and we all were ready for day 3. A spoiler alert that day 3 is gonna be very hectic. Stay tuned.